I'm on my way to the scrapyard, guys. I just saw this stuff. I'm gonna just scrap my way to the scrapyard. Well, these are plastic. I'll take the knives and silverware. I was just on the way to the scrapyard and saw these huge holes. So I'm gonna grab everything here. And this guy. These motors are about 10 to 15 bucks, sometimes a little bit more. Sorry you have to see all this mess, man. I just threw all this in at the last minute. Whew, that's a heavy one, yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna load up the rest of this stuff. This thing had a good name on it, but I ain't worried about it. It's so beat up. I'm gonna take that hinge off of there and add it to my collection of brass hinges. Sell them on eBay once I get about 10, 15, 20 of them. Here, let me grab it. Those trains are busy this morning. Little piece of metal. It's just not. Chunk of brass right there, probably. Almost walked off without that. Gonna clean that up. Well, if it didn't have anniversary on it, I'd take it. Well, I'll take the chicken. That's pretty cool. Put it right there.
Daddy, what are you gonna do with that pole?
I don't know, but it's like 20 foot long. It's worth a lot more than what they'll give you at the scrapyard.
What's that, Daddy?
Looks like an outdoor or an indoor fireplace cover. I'm thinking like a outdoor pizza oven. I don't know. I'll get all kinds of ideas and never have time to do them.
Hey, you found a chicken?
Yeah, I think this is vintage too.
Daddy, you have so many pots.
Yeah, I know. I like to collect plants, so check it out though. This is a pretty nice one. It's not old, but it's cool. I'll clean those up. And then this clock. There we go. So I can keep time while I'm on the road.